Hi, I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at how to turn mesh into CAD geometry. Okay, so there are many times when you might want to turn mesh data into CAD geometry, whether it's imported STL data from a scan maybe, or a legacy FEA model as we're showing here, based on a bulk data format input from a Nastran model. We can import STL and mesh in that format. So once we've got the mesh in, and we're looking at a solid tetrahedral tech mesh in this example, we can use the Create Faceted Bodies tool, and this works for 2D and 3D geometry, and it picks out a given set of features, which we saw with those coloured surfaces, and then we select the middle mouse button to apply, and we can delete the underlying mesh, and we've now got a solid body shown in the model browser. We can manipulate or export the geometry at this level. So we're just going to take this a step further now. So we're going to split the created geometry using the split tool, splitting about 3 planes, and this will become apparent in a moment while we're doing this. So basically manipulating and simplifying the geometry for resultant CAD export or for model build or FEA model build within the Apex environment. So we make those 3 splits, and we check the model topology or the meshable colors, and we can then see that the resultant body is green and therefore hex meshable. We can surface mesh if required as a seed for the underlying 2.5D or hex mesh, run through those operations, and we've got the resultant geometry that we want. Super quick and easy in the Apex environment. I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.